Agad na nagsalita ang anak ni Sir Ricky Davao na si Ara Davao sa pagkawala ng batikang aktor. Sa kanyang social media account ay sinabi nito ang tunay na dahilan ng biglaang pagkawala ng kanyang ama. It is with great sadness that we announce the passing of our beloved father, Ricky Davao. He passed away peacefully, surrounded by his children and loved ones, after bravely facing complications related to cancer. For more than 4 decades, he dedicated his life to the craft of acting and directing. His remarkable body of work and award-winning performances have left a lasting legacy that will continue to inspire. Most of all, he was a loving father, brother, son, and friend. We are deeply grateful for your prayers, love, and kind messages during this difficult time. Details about his memorial service will be shared soon.
Tinanggap ko yung Viva Max. Siya mismo, Papa,
Are you gonna be bold?
what are you trying to prove? Sabi gano'n. Tapos nung ginawa ko yung F-Boys.
F-boy.
Papa, at your age.
Very proud kami. Nagkukulat lang kami.
And he won everything.
At napanalunan naman niya lahat.
Pinapanood niyo pag mga gano'n ng project ni Daddy?
Ano yun?
Pinapanood niyo?
Pinapanood naman, pero
Tinatanong ko muna siya,
Awkward lang.
okay
Kung
ba?
pwede.
Should I cover my eyes? Mag-ready ba ako? Yung gano'n.
What was your favorite film na ginawa ng Daddy? Top of mind.
Ako po personally yung Marikina na nagustuhan ko talaga yun.
That's a Cinemalaya movie.
What about you, Arm?
well, I think his favorite is Ang Lalaki sa Buhay ni Zelda. And relevant yun kasi when that was happening, I was
decades ago.
being born.
I
Oo,
know.
nung sinuting ko yun,
Yeah, so medyo relevant talaga.
kasi nung sinuting ko yun, nung nagpirmahan kami kay Tita Mids na kontrata, kasi kay Tita Mids, pag pumirma ka ng kontrata, yun na yun. Okay. Tapos biglang parang 3 weeks bago mag-start ng shoot, nalaman ko na due pala, nalalabas na siya. So nakiusap ako kay Tita Mids. Sabi ni Tita Mids, no, I talk to everybody. No, hindi pwede, sabi niya. Okay, Tita Mids, kasi nakapirma na ako, ano laban ko? But 2 days later, she called. Nakakainis ka, Ricky. Tita Mids, nakakainis ka, Ricky. O sige na, minute ko ng 2 weeks para sa'yo. Diba, ang problema, nagkamali yung doktor. Nandun na kami nagsushooting, lang pinanganak siya. Maling-mali, in between ng pinayagan ni Tita Mids. Hindi na ako nakapunta. Napanood ko na lang video, Betamax. Dinala sa the following day nang pinapanganak siya.